In this video, I am going to show you how to delete your Telegram account. 1. Open the Telegram application on your device. 2. Tap on the Settings option, usually represented by a gear icon in the app. Within the Settings menu, find and select the option labeled Telegram FAQ. This section contains useful information and frequently asked questions about Telegram's features and settings. In the frequently asked questions, look for a section titled Your Account. Tap on the Delete Your Telegram Account link. This action will redirect you from the app to the Telegram website, which is where the actual deletion process takes place. Once on the website, you'll be prompted to enter your phone number associated with the account. Make sure it's the international format. After entering your mobile phone number, you'll receive a confirmation code via SMS. Enter the received SMS code on the website to proceed. Once verified, you'll see an option to delete account. Clicking this will take you to the confirmation page. You can confirm your decision to permanently delete your account, and this is the last step, and there is no turning back from here. And now your Telegram account will be successfully deleted. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.